What's the meaning of bewitching? Bewitching. Bewitching.
Bewitching. Bewitching. Bewitching is an adjective used to describe something or someone that is exceptionally charming, attractive, and alluring. It is typically used to describe a person, but can also refer to a place or thing that has a captivating quality. The term suggests a sort of enchantment or spellbinding effect on the observer, as if they are being hypnotized or mesmerized by the object of their attention. A bewitching person might have a magnetic personality, great beauty, or other qualities that draw people towards them. Overall, bewitching implies a sense of irresistible charm and fascination that captures one's attention and imagination.